First, I'm going to tone the canvas using Gamsol and Burnt Sienna using a larger brush. This will create a nice warm base to build the scene on. Here, I'm using a No. 8 Rosemary & Company long flat. Make sure to keep it nice and thin so you can still continue to see your drawing underneath. Once we have an all-over coat, we are now going to take a paper towel and smooth down this layer and create a more even, thin surface that will dry quickly and have an even underpainting tone. Here I'm mixing titanium white with a touch of cadmium yellow medium, and I'll add another bit of cadmium yellow medium to really kind of darken it up a little bit, but I'm not ready to use pure titanium white just yet. I want to make sure that I have colors in there. I'm also going to add a little touch of Galkyd to it, so that way it ensures that it sticks to the previous layer and continues to dry more quickly. Refer to the color mixing guide to view the colors that I created and for the color formulas. Here I'm identifying the brightest spots. Notice how I've shifted the sun to fall in the intersection of the rule of thirds to make the better composition. I'm also adding this nearly white mixture of yellow and titanium white at the horizon line. Here I'm mixing some titanium white and cobalt blue with a touch of Galkyd for the blue skyline. The base layer isn't 100% dry yet, and I'm fine with that because it adds a bit of color variety. You'll also notice that I'm not concerned about showing my brush strokes. I'm blocking in the base colors that I see, and then I'll blend the colors before the session is over to create a smooth surface and color transitions. Here I'm using a large soft painter's brush to blend the layers and create the smooth surface and soft sky. This will not be the last time that we paint the sky. The sky has soft tones of yellows, pinks, and blues, So we have to approach this in layers to ensure that we don't get unintentional colors like green. Shades of purple I'm okay with, but I definitely don't see any green in this sky.